The ocean hides things we can barely imagine. Not myths, not stories, real things. Places that look impossible, yet exist on Earth. And we've only seen a fraction of it.
In the frozen silence of Antarctica, something strange flows from the ice. A waterfall, deep red in color. It looks almost like blood, spilling out into the white landscape. The contrast feels unnatural, almost disturbing. But there's no mystery here, only chemistry. The water is rich in iron, hidden beneath the glacier for thousands of years. And when it finally reaches the surface, it reacts with oxygen, slowly turning into a deep, rusted red.
Sometimes the ocean doesn't stay dark. It begins to glow. Waves light up as they move, each ripple carrying a soft blue light. Tiny living organisms drift within the water, almost invisible during the day. But at night, they respond to movement, emitting light with every disturbance. Even a single step can awaken the glow, turning the shoreline into something that feels almost otherworldly, like stars scattered across the sea.
This looks like a river, flowing calmly with its own path and direction. But it's not on land. It exists inside the ocean itself. Different layers of water with different salt levels create invisible boundaries. They don't mix, so currents begin to form, moving like a river beneath the sea. A river hidden inside another ocean, quiet and almost unreal.
And yet, this is only a glimpse, a small fragment of something far greater. Beneath the surface, the ocean stretches endlessly, silent, dark, and unexplored. A world where light cannot reach, where time feels different, where entire ecosystems exist, completely hidden from us. We've mapped the land, we've reached the skies, but down here, we are still visitors, still searching, still unaware of what truly lies below. And maybe that's what makes it so fascinating, because the deeper we look, the more we realize how much we still don't know.